everyone. I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to use Seesaw. Seesaw is what we're going to be using from now on to pass in work that you're doing each week. And just to clarify, the district has a packet that is available at the food trucks and the greenhouse at the Wang School each week. We also put them online to be printed out on our webpage. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do this from now on. So pretty much, Seesaw is going to be what we use to just pass in our work. So you will get the district packet each week, and there's going to be one math and one reading or writing page that we're going to require each student to pass into us. So instead of taking pictures or trying to print it out and send it, Seesaw is the easiest way to do this, and I'm going to show you why. So you're going to get to this web page by going on web.seesaw.me, and you're going to click on Login. And on the next page, you're going to click I'm a student. Now, we're not going to sign in with Google. We're going to go down here, and everybody's going to get their own code. So I'm going to type in the code that I was given. I'm going to press Go. And that is going to bring me to my Seesaw page. Now, yours might look like this. It might not have as many red dots and red notifications. I just am making this one up just so you guys can see how to use it. So over here, you'll see your teacher's name. So this student is in Mrs. Marshall's second grade class. You're going to see your own teacher's name up here. You're also going to see your name up here with a little icon. We don't pick these icons for you. They just come up. And if you click your name, it's going to show you all the classes that you're a part of. So right now, you'll just be a part of one class. Now, there's something called a journal. If we click on journal, you're going to see over here that you're given a journal. And your teacher can assign you a journal entry. You can also write to your teacher. So it looks like this teacher said, what's the best part about being home all the time? What's the worst part? If you click on that journal entry and then you click again over here, you can type in. So you press comment and you can say, the best part of being home is spending time with my family. The worst part of being home is all the cleaning. And then you'd press post. Now, it says pending approval. That's because nothing gets posted without the teacher okaying it first. So we're doing that to make sure that everybody is writing positive and appropriate things. So I can X out. I also can look over here in inbox, and there might be messages from my teacher. So it looks like there's one class announcement from Mrs. Marshall that says, hello, I miss you all. If I click on notifications, that's telling me what the teacher has done since last time. So the teacher has added an item to your journal. And if you look, we already did that. So if you were confused and you were like, oh man, like I forget what happened last time or what she's posted since then, you can go into your notifications and it will tell you. Now for my favorite part, if you go under activities. If you click under activities, you're going to see the activities waiting for responses and class activities. So right now, both are the same because we only have one activity in here. You're going to see that it will tell you what this page is. So this is a math page and it gives you directions. The directions say, please do this page and turn it in. And it tells me right here that I'm waiting for a response. So I can add my response by clicking the green box, and it's the math page that I need to do this week. If I'm unsure of the instructions or what I'm supposed to do, I can go to view instructions, and I can even listen to the teacher read them. Please do this page and turn it in. So what I would do is I would fill in my answers, and there's a couple different ways to do this. If you look at the bottom, there's a pencil, and you could click whatever color you want for the pencil. And if you don't like what you've done, up here is the undo button. You can press undo. There's also a little pen. There's a highlighter. And there's this thing that I like because it looks like it's glowing. If you make a mistake, you can also erase with your eraser. If there's something that you want to tell me, like, oh man, number 2 is really confusing, you can click over here. It's T for text. And you can type and say, this was hard. And if you touch this little hand down here, you can actually move the box wherever you want to tell me that it was. There's also a microphone where you could record your voice. I thought this page was really hard. Could you help me? And the teacher will be able to see that because there'll be a big play. And you click the check mark when you're done. Okay? So when you're all done and you click the check mark, I, as a teacher, can go in. I thought this page was really hard. Could you help me? And I can look at your page. Now, let's say you accidentally submitted it and you went, oh man, I didn't do it all. You can go back into the page and you can press respond again. And now it's going to let me go back and fix what I need to fix. Sorry, our computer's being really slow right now. There we go. I could also take a picture if I wanted to take a picture of something and add it in. And if I look at this little box too, I can change the background. I can use shapes. So if I wanted like perfect circles when I'm doing this, I can make my little circles and I could make it white. You can play around with it. So that is the assignment tab. Now, what else is pretty cool is if I go into journal, I can see my name, but I can also see that I'm waiting. I can add something for my teacher to see. So I could do a drawing, I could do a note, I can make a little video. So if I just wanted to say hello, and I might want to put a smiley face or something, I could do that and it would load the item and then my teacher would see it. So that's a really good way if you want your teacher to see something and you're saying, you know what, I really want to show her a cool website that I found, or I'm going to show her a video of something I made at home, or I'm going to give her a picture of me doing my work, or I'm really confused on something. I'm going to type her a little note and say, when you have time, can you please help me with my math? Thank you. And then your teacher's going to see this. So this is what we're going to be using. All of you are going to be getting a class code that you're going to use to sign in. We're going to send those to you through Dojo or email or call you. When you're all done, you can sign out. Are you sure you want to sign out? Yep. And then the next time you come on, you'll log in again with your same text code and you'll go right back in. You'll also see, I'm going to sign out for a minute to show you. You'll also see when it's time to sign in that down here there's a scan code button. Hi guys. But we don't need to use the scan code button unless you want to, and you're all going to have a QR code. I would recommend keeping your code somewhere really, really safe because it's going to be your password and we can't change them. So that's all for now. I hope this helped you, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.